welcome back to another exciting, delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, I'm going to try a recipe a different way. This is my first time doing it this way, so we're going to try it out. I've made lollipop chicken drumsticks before, so that's not like what it is. So, and I've made garlic parmesan chicken too. So I'm gonna roast these chicken legs in the oven, and first we're gonna turn them into lollipops, and then we're gonna season them up with some olive oil, some Shelly's house seasoning, and we're gonna get them in the oven and let them on a cookie sheet, and just let them cook up and crisp up nice and crispy. And then I'm gonna make the garlic parmesan. I'm gonna make the garlic parmesan, and we're gonna pour it all over that and see if that works and how that turns out. Just let me know in the comment section that I do a good job or whatever. So we're gonna try this for the first time, but I'm gonna show you guys how to lollipop a chicken. I'm gonna do 3 since I have a lot. I'm gonna do 3 on camera and the rest off camera, just to show you what it how to get it. So you're gonna need a small paring knife, nice sharp paring knife. You're gonna take that and you're gonna rotate the chicken all the way around, just like so. And you want to get it just above where that bone and the gristle is at the top of your chicken. And you just want to keep rotating it, keep rotating. And you're going to saw on that bone, so don't worry about it. It's not going to hurt it, not going to do anything to it. Alright, and so I have some scissors out here too, because when I lollipop these the last time, I ended up needing some kitchen shears. So I have all of the tools that's necessary to make this chicken. And I'm taking my knife, my kitchen shears, and I'm just cutting off all of those tendons, or whatever it's called. You know, I can't even talk today. You know what's going on. Right there, and just, you want to clip that away from the bone. You want to get all of that stuff away from the bone. You want to pretty much clean that bone up like that. Then you want to stand it up on here, and then take your hand, everything, and just push down right on there. Just put it on your cookie sheet, on your cutting board. Oh, my oven, I have it preheated to 425 degrees. We're going to cook this thing on high heat. Now these little things that's here, we're going to clip that off. Those muscles and tendons, that's what it's called. Tendons. And there you have it. You have a lollipop drumstick. So let's do it a few more times so you'll get it. Just like that. And we're going to put it back in there. I've already washed them, so they've already been washed with salt and vinegar. So we're going to pull out another one, just like so, and just go around, just like this. There's nothing hard about it. And just go around and cut it. And get in there with your scissors. Now if you don't have scissors, it's fine. You don't have kitchen shears, that's fine. You can just keep cutting with this until it's all cut off. Alright, see how I got it? Holding it like this, put it down, and apply some pressure. Apply some pressure down, and just push it down. And these little muscles and tendons, just snip it off. Just like so. I'm going to do one more on camera. And see, look at this. That's what I be talking about. That's why I say the scissors come in handy. Because the scissors just get in there. Cut that. Just like so. Now you can get your butcher to do this for you as well. See how that is? Perfect. One more time. Got your chicken here. And you're going to have to wash your chopping board and your workstation up real nice. So make sure you got some bacteria kitchen spray, antibacterial kitchen spray, spray on it. Just keep going around and around into a circle. Yeah. Until it all comes up. Let me see if I can do it with this knife just to show you guys on this last one. And just keep going around and pull away from it. Just pull away from it when you're just doing the knife. Alright. And just push it down. Just like so. There you have it. Just like that. Absolutely beautiful. Let me see if I can give you a closer look. Look at that. Lollipop chicken drumsticks. Alright guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish up making these drumsticks. I didn't want to drag the video on while y'all just watch me do a bunch of drumsticks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the video here. And when I come back, we're going to season it up and get it on that cookie sheet. Alright guys, so I don't know what happened to my my olive oil. So today we're just going to use some canola oil. And just pour it right in here. It's still going to, well, it's going to be even crispier, so we're going to pour it in there all over. That's the last of that. And that was about a fourth of a cup. Now we got our Shelly's house seasoning here. We're just going to sprinkle that all over there. And be generous. You know, you want to season it. And you're going to get in here. You're going to mix this around. Now I had dried these off so that all the oil and everything will stick and it won't steam. It'll, you know, crisp up for me and fry and everything. So I'm trying something new today. And I love to come up with new recipes. So that's my thing. So I have my cookie sheet here. I'm going to take the chicken legs, the lollipop chicken. I'm going to put them in just like so. Now you can put this on a wire rack and let it do its thing. But for me, I'm going to do them like this. And I'm just pushing them back down. It's a nice big one. Unless you want to put some toothpicks in it to keep it down, you can do that. But I'm just pushing them down, putting them in the oven. Not that serious. Excuse me. Bless me, Lord. You know what? I was watching a YouTuber the other day, and he said, you know, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. So apparently it's seasoned because I'm sneezing. Okay. 2 more to go. Try to give it a little space. Crisp up nice for you guys. Alright, so I'm going to get these into a 425 degree oven for about an hour, hour 15, and let them crisp up real nice and cook for me. And when I come back, I'm going to make that that sauce. This is just butter, garlic, and Parmesan. So I'm going to melt the butter in the microwave. I'm going to add the Parmesan and the and we're just going to pour it all over it. That sounds easy enough, huh? It sounds real easy, doesn't it? Alright, so the chicken turned out beautifully. It's nice and crispy. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we're gonna make the garlic sauce. Move these over. A little head underneath there. I have my melted butter. Today I'm using garlic powder. Tablespoon of garlic powder. Got some parsley here. Tablespoon of parsley. I'm just gonna mix this in. Move this over. Bring this back. Take this. Put it on the top just like so. Nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. Drizzle that right over there, just like that. Man, this is beautiful. Now this was 1 stick of butter melted. Drizzle all down in there, just like so. Got that parsley in there, that garlic, that butter. Now, I'm using the grated prawn. Now you can use fresh prawn if you like. Now open that shaker part. Just shake it right on there. Just like that. There you have it. Garlic Parmesan Lollipop. Oven baked garlic Parmesan Lollipop chicken. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go grab the small one. Look at it. Y'all see that? Y'all see? Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all gotta give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.